Hi, I'm Jeremy Barnes from Starting Line Products, and today we're going to talk about a couple of tools that we offer to help you service primary clutches on Polaris snowmobiles quickly, easily, and most importantly, properly. The first tool we have is our clutch holding tool. This tool slides through the primary clutch and holds it securely while you remove or retorque the primary clutch bolt. Or on P85 clutches, it'll help hold the clutch while you remove the clutch using a clutch puller. The tool features a cushion grip, as well as a polymer coating to provide traction and protection to the primary clutch. The second tool we have is our clutch compression tool. This tool still works on all Polaris snowmobiles, however, it is most beneficial to models with the P92 clutch. That is because those models require you to remove the movable sheave from the sled to change the clutch spring and weights. With this tool, there's no longer a need to fight getting the movable sheave on or off the sled. You simply remove the clutch bolt, slide the tool into the clutch bolt hole, thread it into the crankshaft, then compress the clutch using the compression collar. This allows you to remove the clutch bolts, remove the spring and the weights, and do the service work that you need. To reinstall, use the tool to compress the spring and the cap, then reinstall the bolts. The job of changing these parts becomes quick and effortless. These are two must-have tools for anyone wanting to do their own clutch service. For more information on these products or to order, give us a call at 208-529-0244 or visit startinglineproducts.com.